Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this Delta Math that I'm going to have you guys do. Well, it's Wednesday night, but have you guys do it for Thursday, okay? Let me switch it around. Okay. So what we want to look for is they're wanting you to find the values of missing angles, right? So they've told us that this is 43. Hopefully we know that that little box right there means that it's 90. And then the whole entire line would be 180, right? So what we'd do is we'd add up 43 plus 90 and then subtract it from 180. It's a lot of mental math for me to do, and I tried to find a piece of paper here in the hotel, but I couldn't. Okay, so 90 plus 43 would be 133, and then 180 minus 130 would be 50, so 47. Let's try 47. Let's see if that works. Are you sure? Not really. Yay! Got it right. Okay. So then let's do another one. All right. So once again, we want to find these lines that we know exactly what something is, okay? Okay. So we can tell that we have the little box here. Zoom in. So the little box means that this L right here is 90, right? Okay, which means that this side is also 90, even though you don't see the little box. Okay, so this whole L on this side is 90. So to get this little X, we would have to do 90 minus 68 to find this missing angle, which would be 22. So angle X would be 22. Okay. Then if we notice X here, I know that it's not asking for this part. Oh, wait. It's just 90. Right? I realize I'm the teacher. I should know the answer to this question. Okay, I think they're trying to say that angle Y is this whole entire thing. So 90 plus this little section here, I think. So what that means is that when we put 22 in for X, remember us doing that? These are crisscross angles, right? They're equal to each other. So what we got for X over here would also go in this space over here, which would be 22. So we'd have 90 plus 22, which would be 112, I think. I'm not feeling really confident about this one. Let's see what happens. Look at that, the green check mark. Yay. Okay. So now we got to find values that we know. All right. So right here, this little box means that this L here is 90. We got to figure out what this little sliver missing is. So we're going to take 90. We're going to take our whole that we know, 90, minus what's given, 65, to find the missing piece. So 90 minus 65 is going to be 25? Is that right? Yeah, 25. Okay, so X is 25. All right, and then it wants to know what Y is. All right, well, if this is also 90, we would take our X, which is 25, so then we would have 90 minus 25 to get what our Y is, right? So is silly because it would be 65. Am I thinking right? I believe so. I don't know. I might get a little X on this one. Yay! What does that green mark make me so happy? Okay, so I know that these are a little harder, okay, but you have to go with what you know. A whole line is 180. 90s are marked with the box. So if we can remember those two things, I think we're okay. But let me do another one just for funsies. Okay. So this is, I think we had one like this earlier. So this whole entire line's 180. This little piece in the center is 90. This little piece over here is 35. So we have 35 plus 90. Or we're going to take 35 plus 90 and then subtract it from 180 to figure out this missing piece. So 35 plus 90 would be 125, and then 180 minus 125 be 55, I think. Once again, it's mental math. I'm not feeling all that confident about it. Okay. Yay! All right. So to go back through, whole entire thing's 180. This little chunk with the box in it's 90. So we know this is 35. This is 90. The whole entire thing's 180. So we take 180. You could also do like 180 minus 90 minus 35, and that would also give you the answer. Or you can add them together and then subtract it. Either way, you would get it. All right. Are we good? This is a long video, but this is a little harder. So I'm only going to give you this one, and then I'll give you guys another Delta Math tomorrow. Okay? Just try it. You can do good. Help each other out. Talk to you later.